Acid and base titration. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to describe a titration process and distinguish between the endpoint and equivalent. Titration. Titration is a method for determining the concentrations of an unknown solution by using another solutions of known concentration, and we call as standard solution. Titrant or standard solution is a solution of accurately known concentration, and analyte, the solution with unknown concentration. Indicator, a weak organic acid that has different color that its conjugate base and color change occurring over a specific and relatively narrow pH range. Normally, we use indicator to determine the end point in the titration process. Equivalent point. Equivalent point is the point where the mole of acid and base is stoichiometrically equivalent, or mole of hydroxide ion equal to H plus ion. Or we can say at equivalent point, the reaction was complete when the acid and base are completely react. Endpoint, the point where an indicator change color. So we can look at this picture. This picture shows the titration reach endpoint, where indicator change its color from colorless to pale pink color. This diagram shows titration apparatus. Firstly, we use burette. In burette, we put titrant, which solution with unknown concentration. Normally, we use sodium hydroxide. In conical flask, contain analyte. We put it solution with unknown concentration. And don't forget to add a few drops of indicator. We use indicator to determine endpoint. Endpoint reached when indicator change its color.